All right, so I'm going to share part of what I'm listening to with you. It's 12:12 now. Okay. Preacher or a pastor is connected to a secret society. They stole my identity. Like 20 people. Your position, but your identity here, okay, when they were dealing with a practitioner here on a spiritual level, but also somebody could have went to the doctor here, okay, to the hospital here, with your identity here, okay, using my Medicaid card. A scheme, a scam, okay. There's a bigger plot here, okay? And that's confirmed by secret society, occult coven faction coming out first and foremost in the